This is boy. This is boy.
I'm Dog-kun, I love to run free. The scent of the grasslands, the breeze is my spree. Days spent racing with my boy by my side. That's my happiness, that's my way of life. Summer sun, blazing with light. My master, the boy with the smile shining bright. The cool air from the AC chills my fur, it's true. But I'm right here, always protecting you. This is the truth, emotions I can't hide.
This is boy. This is boy. This is boy. This is boy. This is boy.
At night under the moonlight soft glow, I talk with my boy in moments calm and slow. Gazing at distant stars, I make my vow. I'm your friend forever, unchanging now. Through heat or cold, we'll face it as one. Your tears, your smiles, I'll take everyone. No matter the challenge, we'll run through it all. Our bond is unbreakable, it'll never fall.
This is the story. 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 This is the story.
This is the truth, emotions I can't hide. Don't run away, I'll always be by your side. Your smile